So if I have x plus 5 equals 7, and I say, and this question says solve, what are you asking to find? X, right? So to solve an equation means to find the unknown. Okay, so we're going to work backwards, yes. How would I solve this? What would I have to do? So in order to get x by itself, I want to get rid of anything that's around it, right? Right now I have x plus 5. So how do I get rid of plus 5? What's the opposite of plus 5? Alessandro? Take away 5, right? Whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other side. So what do I have to do to the right side? I have to take away 5. Well, if I have 5 and I take away 5, how many do I have left? Here, none, right? I'm left with x. And on the right side, I have 7 take away 5. Well, can we solve that? What's 7 take away 5? X equals 2. Okay? The example in the textbook's a little harder, so let's look at that one. Okay, the first thing we want to get rid of is this 10. So I'm going to take 10 away. What do I have to do to the right side? If I take 10 away from the left side, what do you have to do to the right side? Take 10 away. Well, this is gone now. So I have 5x equals, what's 35? Take away 10? 25. Okay, we're always doing the opposite operation. If we're to get rid of 10, if it's adding 10, we take away 10. Now this says 5x. What does a 5x mean? What operation is that? Multiply, good. So 5 times something equals 25. Well, what's the opposite of multiply? So I need to divide by what? Good, that's the opposite. So what do I have to do to the right side? This cancels out. I'm left with just the x. I've isolated it. That's what I wanted to do. And can we solve that? 25 divided by 5 is 5. Good. So we solve this equation now. Again, to solve, we're always doing the opposite operation. Well, what's the opposite of squaring a number? The opposite of squaring a number is finding the square root. Because, I'll just do a little side note here, x times x equals x squared, right? So the square root of x squared would be what? Just x, okay? So square root of x squared is x. If I square root on the left side, what do I have to do to the right side? Find the square root. Whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other side. What is the square root of 36? Good. Okay, and that's it. We solved it. We need to get rid of this minus 6. What's the opposite of subtracting 6? What's the opposite of subtraction? Addition. If I add 6, well, what's negative 6 plus 6? Nothing. That's how I get rid of it. What do I have to do to the right side? I have to add 6. So what do I have on the left side? I have my x squared equals, what's 19 plus 6? 25. And what's the final step here? It's x squared equals 25, but I want to know what x equals, so what do I have to do? Good. Good, we have to square root this, and we have to square root this. X equals 5.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.